discovering the incredible world of butterflies, gives us a deeper look into how these colorful insects shape our ecosystems. Monarch butterfly. Monarch butterflies are famous for their long-distance migration across North America to Mexico. Blue morpho. The blue morpho butterfly reflects light from microscopic wing scales, creating its bright metallic blue color. Swallowtail butterfly. Swallowtail butterflies are known for their tail-like wing extensions that help confuse predators. Painted lady. Painted lady butterflies are among the most widely distributed butterfly species in the world. Glasswing butterfly. The glasswing butterfly has transparent wings that provide natural camouflage in tropical forests. Peacock butterfly. Peacock butterflies display eye-like patterns on their wings to scare away predators. Red admiral. Red admiral butterflies are strong flyers that often migrate between continents. Common buckeye. The common buckeye uses large eye spots on its wings to mimic the appearance of a larger animal. Zebra longwing. Zebra longwing butterflies live longer than most species due to their pollen-based diet. Ulysses butterfly. The Ulysses butterfly is a bright blue species native to Australia and Southeast Asia. Scarlet Mormon. Scarlet Mormon butterflies show dramatic color differences between males and females. Common lime butterfly. This butterfly is famous for its citrus-scented caterpillars that feed on lime trees. Atlas moth butterfly. Often confused with a butterfly, the atlas moth is one of the largest winged insects in the world. Common Jezebel. Common Jezebel butterflies use bright colors to warn predators of their toxic diet. Clouded yellow. Clouded yellow butterflies are fast flyers commonly seen in open grasslands. Comma butterfly. The comma butterfly gets its name from a small comma-shaped mark on its wings. Tailed jay. Tailed jay butterflies display iridescent green and blue colors that change in sunlight. Raja Brooks birdwing. This species is one of the largest and most valuable butterflies in butterfly conservation. Common crow butterfly. Common crow butterflies are toxic and are avoided by many predators. Malachite butterfly. The malachite butterfly features bold black and neon green patterns. Common blue. Common blue butterflies are among the most studied butterflies in Europe. Tiger swallowtail. Tiger swallowtails are named for their tiger-like black stripes on yellow wings. Giant owl butterfly. Giant owl butterflies have huge eye patterns that resemble owl eyes. Purple emperor. The purple emperor butterfly shows purple color only when viewed from specific angles. Common grass yellow. This butterfly changes wing color depending on seasonal climate conditions. Orange-tip butterfly. Male orange-tip butterflies are easily recognized by their bright orange wing tips. Apollo butterfly. Apollo butterflies live in mountainous regions and are considered conservation icons. Common rose butterfly. The common rose butterfly feeds on toxic plants, making it poisonous to predators. Metalmark butterfly. Metalmark butterflies reflect metallic colors from their wing scales. Lacewing butterfly. Lacewing butterflies have delicate wing patterns that resemble fine lace fabric. Queen Alexandra's birdwing. Queen Alexandra's birdwing is the largest butterfly species in the world, with females reaching an impressive wingspan of over 25 centimeters. Common map butterfly. The common map butterfly changes its wing patterns between seasons, creating two completely different visual forms. Blue tiger butterfly. The blue tiger butterfly is a migratory species known for its soft blue and black striped wings. Leopard lacewing. The leopard lacewing displays bright orange wings with black spots that help warn predators of its toxicity. Long-tailed skipper. The long-tailed skipper butterfly has distinctive extended wing tails that make it resemble a small flying dragon. Thanks for watching. Kindly like, share and subscribe our channel Info Million.